to Mr. Ban Ki-moon, the Secretary General of United Nations. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Your Excellency, Mr. Secretary General, on behalf of Yayasan Pendidikan Indonesia, Special Consultative Status of a Cause of the United Nations since the 1st August 2013. Allow me to appreciate your recent statement regarding the death of Muslim Brotherhood member at Egypt region. Besides, it was deeply disturbed by the reported death. I believe that you are aware that the death of Muslim Brotherhood members in Egypt has not only happened in prison, but also in the mosque, in the masajid. These are negative lessons learned from the country with majority Muslim population like Egypt, and dawn of the flash of democracy in the Middle East. Hence, I would implore Your Excellency to approach the Egyptian government to halt all violence in force, to restore Egypt as the democratic forefront of the Arab nation, and if necessary, organizing special session specifically to address bad situation that happened in Egypt. Finally, allow me also to propose, presumably, Your Excellency Secretary General willing to consult with His Excellency President of the Republic of Indonesia, His Excellency Dr. Bambang Yudhoyono MP, in order to get the best solution of the Middle East political and social disputes, especially in Egypt. Thank you very much for your great attention. God bless you and yours. Jakarta, 20 August 2013. Sincerely yours, Datuk Agung Sedayu.